Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Here I am again with a new makeup look, and I created this makeup look for Lori and Makar Sankranti festival. So to see how I created this look, please watch the video till the end. And if you like, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. First of all, as always, I'm using a face primer, and the primer which I'm using here is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. A primer is very important whenever you are going for a heavy base makeup because it adds a clear and smooth canvas to your base makeup to stick on your face. After the primer, I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and first of all I'm going to do my eyebrows. So here I took a spoolie and I'm brushing my eyebrow hair so that all of the hair are on same place. And now I will fill my eyebrows using this angular brush from Color Bar, and the eyebrow product which I used is my Chambord Kajal. The reason because I don't have an proper eyebrow product right now, so I'm using this Chambord Kajal to fill my eyebrows, and I like to fill my eyebrows naturally only. And now I'm brushing whatever product I applied on my eyebrows so that all the products are equally blended together. After my eyebrows are done, I'm going to enhance them using a concealer, and the concealer which I'm using here is Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade 01 Ivory Fair. And I'm taking this flat concealer brush to blend the concealer properly in my skin. After blending the concealer in my skin, I will set it with a compact powder from Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 01 Ivory Cream. And now I will go for eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow which you can see in red circle, I will use it on my outer corner as well as on my crease line. I will make my crease line with the same color, and slowly I will blend the color, and also I will increase the intensity of the color by taking little bit of amount at one time. Make sure you are using little bit of eyeshadow at once, because if you will use lots of eyeshadow at once, it will become patchy and it will become very hard to blend. So always use little bit and then increase the intensity of the eyeshadow, as you can see me doing here. Now I will use this pink peachy glittery shade on my eyelid area, and to apply the shade I will use my finger, and I'm using the same technique, that is I'm using little bit shade at once, and slowly I'm going to increase the intensity of the eyeshadow. I'm using my fingers to apply this glittery shade all over my eyelid area, because when glittery shades are applied with fingers it works magically. And here also I'm slowly increasing the intensity of the color instead of applying a lot of color at once. After my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to line my lower lash line or my waterline with Chambord Kajal, and as usual I'm going to line my lash line thickly, because I love applying thick kajal instead of a thin line of kajal. To line my upper lash line, I'm using a black kajal, because I wanted a smudged liner kind of look. So I'm not going to use any gel liner or liquid liner. I'm just using a black kajal with this angular eyeliner brush. Now I am giving final touch to my eye makeup by applying a mascara, and the mascara which I am using here is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. The one which I am using here is a washable version. If you want, you can buy a waterproof version as well. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I am using this Sugar Face palette and taking the highlighting shade. The shade is 01 Subtle Summit, and I am using it all over my brow bone as well as the inner corner of my eyes. Now I am coming back to my face makeup, and here I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation in the shade 120 W120 Warm Cream all over my face and my neck area. And I will use this buffing brush to buff the foundation in my skin properly. Now to set my base makeup, I am going to use Lakme 9 to 5 Compact. This is Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 01 Ivory Cream. I am using this all over my face and my neck area. For contouring, I am again using the Sugar Face palette number 01 Subtle Summit, and I am using this angular brush to contour my cheekbones and my jawline and my chin area. For applying blusher, I am using the same Sugar palette, and I am taking this peachy blushing shade from the face palette and applying it all over my cheekbones. This is a very peachy kind of shade, but I don't know why it was not visible that beautifully on camera. For highlighting, I'm using the same Sugar palette again, and I'm going to highlight the usual area, that is my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, my forehead and my chin area. For my lip shade, I'm going to use this very beautiful nude pink shade from Color Bar. The shade number is 53M and the shade name is Stardust. To add little bit of shine on my lips, I'm using this lip gloss from Lakme Absolute range. I'm applying it just on the center of my lips and not all over my lips. Here is the final look, guys. I'm wearing this beautiful floral suit with floral dupatta, and I also added a chan bali with stonework and pearl detailing all over it. And please don't mind my baby hair, they are highly indisciplined. I don't know how to deal with them. And if you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends and family, and comment on my videos. Tell me what you like and what you didn't like. Tell me whether you have any request or not. And a very happy Lodi and a very happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Stay safe, stay indoors, and enjoy all the festivals. Bye bye, take care, love you all, and very very happy new year to all of you once again. Bye bye.